Hey, Nikki here with Automation Ladies. I'm here with Aaron and Eric from MCRI, and I'm going to ask them some questions about this Cobot Palletizer. This is the BA Cobot Palletizer. And guys, can you tell me a little bit about what makes this different from other Cobot Palletizers?
Yeah, of course. So we actually have a FANUC CRX-30 on top of our base unit, which is 8 years zero maintenance. We have a large HMI, which includes a safety PLC and 3 area scanners on it, keeping your operator safe.
And how easy is this thing to use?
So it's very easy, actually. So you actually just drop off the unit, and then you swing out the arms, and you teach the robot where it's picking from, and you press start, you're ready to palletize.
What if you want to palletize something different?
We go to setup. We can actually select from different patterns and different products. We can program as many as 100 products into here, and you can do the programming yourself, which is very easy. We go to layer build, and you can see what the pattern is. If I want, I can go ahead and clear the selection, and I can set this up for column stack in that direction, which it puts it into the center of the pallet. If I want labels out, very easy, just rotate. Then I can hit save, yes, and we just created a brand new pallet pattern. I can also add one case at a time if they're not column stacked, so I can add a case. I can put it in any corner. I can rotate it. Then I can say that's where I want to set the location. I can add the next case. I can tap that. It will snap it into place, set location. And now because I'm building a row, it automatically builds the row for you. If I don't like any of that, I can hit cancel, yes, and it puts it back to the original pattern.
That's really intuitive, and it's really cool that you can see the model of the robot itself and the actual palletizer along with the representation of the pallet building.
Yes.
The customer doesn't have to call you to do any of this. They can do it all themselves.
They can do this all on their own. Yes.
Pretty incredible. So where should people go to learn more if they want to see more details about this palletizer?
Yeah, so you can actually just go right to our website, you request more information, and the link will be in the video.